Hello. So I'm about to work out, then I'm gonna go to the grocery store and I'm gonna go shopping. I need avocados in my life. I need actual food. I have like nothing in my house right now. Also, so yesterday I made an agreement with my trainer that I'm only gonna weigh myself once a week moving forward. I think I was like a little bit obsessed with the scale. Now the thing is that the times in my life when I've gained the most weight were the times when I did not weigh myself for a long time. So I won't be weighing myself until Sunday. And last time I weighed myself, I was still 200 pounds. I had dipped under, I was at like 199 at some point last week and ended up finishing the week at 200. So yeah. In the middle of my sentence yesterday, my trainer was like, why are you so obsessed with the scale? And I was like, I don't know. But I wanted to go down because it feels like tangible progress, you know? Obviously, intangible progress is also like your jeans fitting better. But I'm like, I don't wear jeans, so I don't know. Hold on, I got it. Safety first. Hands free, guys. I got a bulletproof coffee from Earth Bar.
Turn right.
Yes, ma'am. I looked it up on the Keto app, and it gives you better information than MyFitnessPal. I noticed it tells you like the net carbs on things. So I'm hoping it's accurate. Anyways, this is a bulletproof upgraded coffee. I was looking in like the food in Earth Bar trying to find something to eat. There's like some sketch looking chicken, so I just went with a string cheese and a water. Why do I feel like Smalls from Sandlot right now in this hat? I know on last week's video a lot of you were like, oh, you're pretty sure you have keto flu. I was just tired and had a headache that day, and well, actually I had a headache all week. But now today I actually feel like I have the flu. But I feel like it's like my sinuses, so I'm like, I don't think that's keto or the keto flu. So I'm at a point where I'm really frustrated right now, also because I told my trainer I wasn't gonna weigh myself, and I did this morning. And the scale actually went up 2 pounds. And I know I'm not supposed to, but I'm just like super frustrated. I ate that chicken salad at lunch and actually just saved like the leftovers. I ate like half of it. And then my throat started hurting. I started feeling really sick. So all I had to eat was some like chicken broth. So I went to sleep hungry and I wake up and somehow the scale goes up. I have to be proactive right now, and I've seen a lot of your feedback, and I looked at what I've been eating last week, and I agree that I haven't been eating enough fats. I'm gonna buy lots of healthy fats, but also, you guys, I'm like confused on like how do you eat more fats? Like it lists like butter and like olive oil and like avocados, and like I'm like, so I'm just supposed to eat like hell of that? I don't understand. I went grocery shopping. I had to come home and get ready real quick. I'm going to an Estee Lauder event tonight. So I'm just wearing, I don't know why I'm laughing. I'm wearing like a loose t-shirt and I was trying to do a half tuck thing. But to be honest, I don't know if the half tuck works for like thick girls. And then I have some boots, some just black boots. And then what I always do, I like to drape a jean jacket. I don't know why, I just feel super comfy like this. This black one is from Good American. I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know how I'm doing. My throat is feeling a little bit better, at least where I can eat and drink without it hurting. Yesterday and today in particular, I've really incorporated more fats into my diet. So literally putting like butter in my coffee, which sounds so weird. I think because like I've always thought of fats as being really bad for you. I don't know. But what I do know is that I broke my promise to my trainer and that I've been weighing myself, but it's allowed me to adjust accordingly. This morning the scale went down, and then I'm really curious to see if it goes down again tomorrow. And if it does, then I think I'll have solved at least, I don't know, not a problem, but an adjustment that I needed to make. I think I was wanting like really like instant results. Like I thought like, dang, like by like week 3 I'll look so different, and I'm like, basically I'm coming to realize like this is gonna be a long journey. I've already known that, but now that I'm like over that first little initial hump of like getting started, like now that I'm in it, I'm like, you got a long ways to go, and you have to accept that and be okay with that and be okay with yourself during that journey. It's super, super important. What I've learned is your thoughts and the way you think and your language. So I gotta like catch myself and be like, dude, no, like don't call yourself big, like don't get down on yourself, like you're working hard, and love yourself no matter where you're at. So that's what I'm working on now. Yeah, it sucks I haven't been vlogging as much this week just because honestly I've felt sick. But tomorrow I'm forcing myself to get back in the gym. I took today and yesterday off just because I'm going to be traveling and I really don't want to push it. And I think it's okay to take days off of working out if you don't feel well, as long as you stick to the diet, which I've been sticking to the diet. So I'll be back in the gym tomorrow, and then we're going up to the Bay Area, and I'm going to vlog more then too. The last time I was there, I didn't vlog as much because I feel kind of embarrassed like vlogging in front of my family, like talking to the camera in front of my family. But I'm like, whatever. They know I got to do it, so. It's so inspirational, you guys, looking through the keto diet hashtag on Instagram. Like there are so many amazing transformations on there. And then it's cool because everyone's kind of like sharing their experiences and sharing different recipes and just pictures of their food. And there's a really awesome community around keto. I notice it. I'm gonna make dinner, and I said that like it was such a statement. I'm gonna make dinner. I think I want to make like a taco salad, maybe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make a taco salad. I'm gonna do it. Let's do it. This is the taco salad that I just made. I feel like I made it so quick. I have some avocado, I have romaine lettuce, and then there's actually spinach and like kale mixed greens underneath. Some cheddar cheese, jalapeno, sour cream, tomatoes. Did I already say avocados? And then some ground up beef. And I'm going to use some Himalayan pink sea salt on the avocado. And I'm probably going to sprinkle a little bit of this, maybe drizzle with some olive oil. And I actually just kept it like this for presentation, but it's about to get all mixed up. So I finished about half of my water for the day, which I'm not mad at, but I am mad that I dropped a friggin' straw in there like a dummy. And I even drank some pickle juice for electrolytes. A lot of you were recommending that to me. And I'm about to go to sleep and get get a good night's rest tomorrow for my workout. Good morning, guys. I am headed back to the gym after 2 days off. Honestly, my throat still kind of hurts, but I'm ready to get back into it. I'm wearing these new Fashion Nova workout pants. I'm like, y'all better not play me at the gym. Don't be see-through. I feel like hella of my workout pants, like they do not stay high on my waist. They just slide down, and it really impedes my ability to work out effectively.
Sit through your hips. Think about that. You're sitting through your hips. Look at that form. Wow. You see every muscle.
So today we kind of just did like the same workouts you saw last week. Warm up with the bands. Today we did 100 squats. I'm still trying to like get my form down. I overthink it a lot. And then I did some cardio afterwards. I ate this beef hot dog the other day. It was hella nasty. Notice that was conveniently left out of the vlog. I came to the mall after my workout and I feel like hella people were staring at me. And then I remembered I'm wearing a Tupac sweater. I'm at Gelson's right now. It's a bougie ass grocery store. And they have all sorts of fancy cheeses. And I found these Parmesan cheese wraps. Can make burritos. Hell yeah, I see burritos in my future. Yeah, I learned my lesson with those beef hot dogs. Blech. That looks suspect. I just came home to some new shoes my friend Marissa surprised me with. She's so sweet because I was talking about I need new shoes for weightlifting. So she got me the Nike Air Maxes. How sweet of her. And I look fresh. Eee. Did my final weigh-in for this week and I weighed in at 198 pounds. That's a total of 2 pounds this week, and it brings my total weight loss to 14 pounds altogether. Next week I'm actually going on a brand trip. And okay. So it's gonna be a challenge to stick to the diet and keep my alcohol consumption down, because those brand trips can be a lot of fun. So make sure that you tune in next week for that. And again, I just want to thank you guys seriously for all the support. You guys have no idea how much your comments and your support means to me. Like it really motivates me. It really encourages me. And I'm just so glad that I'm finally doing this, because this is something that I've been wanting to do for so long. Anyways, if you're not subscribed to my channel already, please make sure you subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment down below. And I will see you guys next week. Bye.